Back to my channel. In this video guide I will show you how to fix Industria 2 game crashing at startup, not loading, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, low FPS or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method, what you need to do is, after installing the game on Steam, you just have to click on the play button, and after that you will get two options over here. First one, play Industria 2 ray tracing DX12. You just have to select this and then click on the play button and check if the game is launching or not. But if the problem exists, you can select the second option, that is play Industria 2 performance mode DX11, and then click on the play button. But if you face the issue still, then you simply have to cancel this and follow the methods discussed over here. So what you need to do is, first method is to restart your PC. So for that, click on the Windows icon, click on power, and then select restart over here. So click restart your PC. After your PC restarts, launch the game and check. If not, next is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now under general here, you have to type -d x11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -d x12 and then try to launch the game and see if this helps to fix the issue. But if the issue still occurs, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, and click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode for, select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK, and launch the game and check. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK, and launch the game and check. But if the issue still occurs, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game, whether it's listed or not. So search for the game over here. The game is listed over here. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. After that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, and click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the game files, try to launch the game and check if you can play it. Next is to update your graphics card. So make sure your graphics cards are up to date. So for that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already provided in the description, and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to close unnecessary background tasks. So for that, go to the Windows search for task manager. Now under background process tab, here you have to search for those apps which are running in the background without any use. Simply select it, right click on it, click on end task, and after that, this will completely close the app that is running in the background, and then try to launch the game and check. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows update, and then click on, here you will get check for updates option. So simply click on check for updates, wait for some time, and after that, launch the game and check. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already provided this link in the description. You simply need to copy and paste it in a browser. Now once the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. After you download it, you have to open it, and you will get repair or install option. Click on it. Now wait for some time, close this, restart your PC. After your PC restarts, now log into the game and check. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on in-game, and here enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If this option is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, launch the game and check. For GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general, and then switch off in-game overlay options. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay options from here. Next is to disable antivirus software. So if there is any antivirus software installed on your system, then you are suggested to disable it before you launch the game. Most of the time antivirus software stops you from playing the game and you can suffer from crashing or lagging or other issues. So make sure to disable the antivirus software and after that try to launch the game and check. Next is to clear download cache. For that go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on downloads, go below, click on clear cache option beside clear download cache. This will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. You simply have to confirm it. After that log in to Steam once again and then try to launch the game and check. Next is to change virtual memory settings. For that go to the Windows search for view advanced system settings, click on settings, click on advanced, click on change, select the drive where your game has been installed. After that select custom size. In the initial size type 12288 and in the maximum size type 24576. Click on set and then click on OK. Finally launch the game and check. Next is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that go to the Windows search for settings. After that here you have to search for graphics settings, open it. Here you have to add your game to the list. For that click on add a desktop app. After that go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. After that click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference you have to select high performance and after that try to launch the game and then check if the game is launching now. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Industria 2 game. For that go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game completely from your PC. After that restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch Steam and again reinstall Industria 2 game and finally click on the play button to check whether it's working or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix Industria 2 game crashing and startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, lagging, freezing, low FPS issue on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.